Now we're going to populate this table, and first of all we're going to select this area here. Okay, so we're going to get number of products, product name, and the KPIs, and we're going to call this LST sorted KPIs. LST sorted KPI. Okay, and here we have this. Now we're going to create here row numbers. To get this, we're going to calculate in the following way. This is equal to this one with absolute reference, so $, okay. Then we're going to add rows, this one from the last position, okay, this one, starting from the absolute position of the first one. I'm going to subtract 1, minus 1. Okay, I get 11. I'm going to drag this down here. Now I'm going to type 12, I get this. So I calculate this and I sum every time plus 1, and I use this formula, rows. I calculate the rows from the position to the next ones, and then I subtract 1. Now to get these ones, I'm going to use the following formula. This one is, I'm going to find the element and row number is fix absolute. Starting from this, I'm going down. I'm going to click on this, and as you can see here, I make it bigger. I'm going to drag this. Okay, then I have exactly this. If you see the product 12, we have exactly the values that I have here. So I'm going to make it integer. This one I'm going to only 2. And now if you see this and this one are the same, just I'm using the index function to look into this array reference. And we created our, so I'm going to change this, and here you see now we created it. Going to be updated according to the value of this. We'll see that we will use the scroll bar to update this.